dash apart and just trying to see if it can save taking the tank out. I think I can, because I think someone's messed about with the wiring. If you power the dash up with the probe, that's about right for fuel, but it got power, and if I power the other bits up, the dash actually works. So just gonna have a look at the wiring next. All these bare wires should basically have a connector like that on it, and I've got a picture, haven't I, which basically will touch each other and don't work. So I bought a new connector. Measure the resistance across there to check the fuel gauge works, which is still attached, and then the tank, it's like 30 ohms, which is nearly full, which it has got 3/4 of a tank, so it sounds about right. Using this cheap Chinese power probe. So the telltale for the lights, so if you put the lights on one of these, it should be live. The grey one? No, this one. Okay. Yeah, so you see the light changes colour, which means it's going live with a side light. And I think the red is the indicators. Shows that telltale to the back of the dash is working. Don't really matter about the rest, I checked it. So. This is the only one I've ever had that works. It's hot. You see it slowly getting warm then. 25 seconds. That's it. Stuck. Thanks for making it this far into the video. The owner of Ned had mentioned that when you brake, it pulls quite sharply to one side. So investigated that, and one of the calipers pretty seized up and can't free off the piston, so decided to remove them and rebuild them. So got new piston kits and seals to go in. So tend to split them down, blast the steel bits, the carriers, etc., and ultrasonic the aluminium bits and put the piston kit and seals, new bleed nipples, all that sort of stuff. So just a bit of footage of the caliper removed from the van, and then the process of stripping it down. So handbrakes on the front of these vans, so in the caliper, so it's got like a carrier and steel carrier and a slider, and then 2 aluminium piston houses. So a bit of footage at the end of the bits that go back into it, but not everything's arrived yet, so I'll put these back together at some other time. Thanks for watching.